In today's video, I will walk you through how to insert images into text in Canva. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. The first thing you need to do is go to the Elements section and add a square shape onto your canvas. Resize the square until it fills the canvas area properly, so you have a solid background to work with. After that, change the square color to black. This will help the text stand out clearly in the next step. Now head over to the text section and add a heading. Type the word you want to use for the effect. Once the text is added, change the text color to white. Then enlarge the text so it takes up more space across the canvas. You can also switch to the font style you want to use for your final design. When your text looks the way you want it to, go to the Share button in the top corner, click Download, choose PNG as the file type, and download the image to your device. After the image is saved, upload the background photo you want to use into Canva. You can either upload your own image or search for one inside the Elements tab. Next, upload the PNG text image you downloaded back into Canva. Place that text image onto the canvas. Now click Edit Image and remove the background from the uploaded text image. This leaves you with only the text visible. Resize the text image so it becomes larger than the background photo underneath it. Once you are happy with the size, click Edit Image again and go to the Duotone section. Inside the Duotone options, select the cherry effect. After applying it, change the shadow color to white. Once that adjustment is finished, save the edited image again by downloading it from Canva. Now upload that newly edited image back into Canva one more time. Place the uploaded image onto your canvas, and remove the background again. After the background is removed, you will now have an image placed inside of the text in Canva.